Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So let's say you're having some problems with your PlayStation 5 controller and you just want to go ahead and reset it to see if that will fix your problem. Well, this is actually really easy to do. First off, you're going to have to get something like a small pin or a toothpick just like this, and also a USB to USB-C cable that we can plug into the front of our PlayStation 5. So now let's locate the area to reset the controller. Looking at the back of a controller right now, next to the word Sony is a small hole. Go ahead and put your toothpick into that hole and hold this down for about 4 to 5 seconds and your controller will shut off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our controller is shut off. The light bar is not turned on. Take our USB to USB-C cable, plug into the front of the PlayStation 5 like this. Then plug the other end into our controller. Press the PlayStation button and turn on our controller. Now our controller is completely reset, and hopefully this did indeed fix any issue that you've been having with your controller. So if this video easily and effectively helped you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.